All that she wants is a pig in blanket. She's gone tomorrow. All that she wants is a pig in blanket. Oh. In this video, we want to show you how Roccbox can help you make the quickest and tastiest pigs in blankets you've ever made. So pigs in blankets across the world are wrapped in different things, sometimes pastry, sometimes dough. In the UK, we wrap them in bacon. And in this case, we're going to wrap them in bacon, cook them in Roccbox, cover them in maple syrup, whole grain mustard, Worcester sauce, and a load of delicious herbs. So let's get going. So we're going to grab 6 rashers of streaky bacon, one at a time, and we're going to stretch these with the back of a knife, okay? So we're just going to use our knife and just kind of gently stretch the bacon away from us. And this is going to do a couple of things. This is going to make the bacon slightly longer, which means it will cover the whole sausage. And it's also going to make it thinner, which means it will crisp up better in Roccbox. Okay, so the bacon's been stretched. We're going to grab a sausage and then we're going to wrap it in the bacon. So just put it up over one side and roll it all the way around so it's completely covered. And then pop him into a cast iron tray and just repeat the process with the others. So we've got 6 pigs in their blankets in a cast iron tray. We're going to drizzle these guys with some oil and just give them a little rotate in the oil just so they're nice and evenly coated. So cover the pigs in blankets in foil. Roccbox is at full temperature, so preheated, 500 degrees, 900 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to get these guys straight in and they'll take about 6 minutes. So we're going to rotate them halfway through and then we'll be ready to take the foil off and brown them up. So the pigs in blankets have been in Roccbox for 6 minutes. We've given them a quick rotate halfway through and now we're going to get out and see how they're looking. Okay, they smell amazing. They smell very Christmassy. So we're going to remove the foil and just give them a little loosen up. So now we're going to turn Roccbox down to its lowest setting on the flame. And we're going to get these guys back in for about 3 minutes. And that's just going to really crisp up the bacon. I didn't have anything else to say. Pigs in blankets have been in there for about 2 minutes. They've started to crisp up really nicely. That last bit of fat's really rendered out. And now we're going to add the magic, okay? 3 teaspoons of Worcester sauce. We've then got 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard and a tablespoon of maple syrup. Then we've got some woody herbs. So I've got some sage, some rosemary, some thyme, anything like that you've got. Chuck that in as well. And that'll start spitting and crackling straight away. Grab yourself a wooden spoon and just start scraping all that goodness off the bottom. And you'll end up with this kind of mapley, mustardy sauce, essentially. But you're just going to roll the sausages in, toss them in. And we don't need to go back into Roccbox now. They're going to take on all this flavour just in the pan. Pop the pigs onto a serving plate. So if you imagine if you just popped outside at Christmas just to pop these into Roccbox, you know, 8 minutes in total we've cooked these guys for. So we're just going to spoon over this beautiful mapley, mustardy, Worcestery goodness. So there you go, we've used Roccbox there in 10 minutes tops to cook the most incredible pigs in blankets. So we've stretched that streaky bacon super thin, wrapped it around the sausages, which has meant that it's crisped up incredibly well. And then all those extra things we've added at the end, so that mustard, that maple syrup, and that Worcester sauce, and all those herbs has just given us the most incredible flavour. I don't want to talk anymore, I just want to eat it. Can I eat it? Can I eat it? Yeah! The smell is one of the best things. If they taste as good as they smell, this is a winner. Don't forget to hashtag Gozney Kitchen on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, any of those things. Let us know you're making it, let us see your pictures, and we might send you a fish. We won't send you a fish.